Well, I've made a few towing videos, so I'm not sure how many more I'm gonna do, but I'm pretty excited about this little trailer I picked up. It's basically it was a little camper, but it's got the dual axles with brakes and everything, and it's about a 4,000 pound gross trailer, which will be about perfect for hauling cars around with the minimal amount of weight for the TDI to have to tow. It's about, I think it'll be about 600 or 700 pounds once I put a new deck on it and get some ramps for it. And they actually make a 10-ply tire for this thing too. It's pretty crazy. But as you can see, I'm just testing it out here with my Scout on. It's about 3,500 pounds, and again with the trailer probably about 500 pounds. It's right at the max of the axles, maybe a little over, and just seeing what it can do, and that pretty much puts me real close to 8,000 pounds total, which is about the best figures I can give. So anyway, just figured I'd do a little ride along and show you how the TDI Toyota does. So to start with, one pretty awesome thing about these Toyota T-Case is you can have it in 4-low right now, and I can get it started nice and easy, go about to second, and then I can push the clutch in, pull it around, put it right into 2 high, first gear, and take right off without having to burn the clutch at all. Just getting up to speed here. I'm not really pushing it too hard, but so clear up here you can see how much power I've got left here. Still in 3rd gear now, but I can go ahead and wrap it up and it'll just keep taking off for me. Get her up to speed here. I'll probably just stay in 3rd or 4th gear. I like to keep it around 3,000 towing. And yeah, just trucking right along. Again, all kinds of power in reserve here. Obviously you got to maintain your EGTs, but I can pretty much go as fast as I want to. Definitely gets a little warm getting up to speed. But then again, this is a pretty extreme job for a little 1.9 liter. anyway, it just continues to amaze me every time I use it.